You won't believe the shocking truth about the first animal to orbit the Earth. It's a story that's both fascinating and disturbing at the same time. Laika, a Soviet space dog, was launched into space in 1957, and her mission was a major milestone in the history of space exploration. But what's often overlooked is the fact that Laika was never meant to survive her journey. She was simply a test subject, a sacrifice in the name of scientific progress. The technology at the time wasn't advanced enough to safely return her to Earth, so she was doomed from the start. This raises some serious questions about the ethics of animal spaceflight, and whether it's ever justifiable to put animals in harm's way for the sake of human curiosity. I mean, think about it. We're talking about living creatures, with feelings and emotions, not just machines that can be discarded when they're no longer useful. In the years since Laika's mission, many other animals have been launched into space, including monkeys, rats, and even insects. And while these missions have undoubtedly contributed to our understanding of space travel and its effects on living organisms, they've also sparked a heated debate about animal welfare. Some argue that the benefits of animal spaceflight outweigh the risks, and that it's necessary to push the boundaries of human knowledge. Others claim that it's simply not worth the cost, and that we should be exploring alternative methods that don't involve harming animals. As we explore the ethics of animal spaceflight, it's essential to consider the impact on the animals themselves and whether we're doing enough to minimize their suffering. It's a complex issue with no easy answers, but one thing is clear. We need to take a closer look at our priorities and ask ourselves, what's the true cost of our pursuit of knowledge? The story of Laika and other animal space travelers serves as a reminder that the path to progress is often paved with difficult choices, and it's up to us to decide what's acceptable and what's not. So where do we draw the line, and how do we ensure that the animals involved in space research are treated with the respect and care they deserve? One approach is to develop new technologies that minimize the need for animal testing, such as computer simulations and lab-grown tissues. These alternatives can help us learn more about space travel without putting animals in harm's way. We're already seeing some promising advancements in this area, and it's exciting to think about the potential for innovation to drive positive change. But even as we explore new methods, we still need to acknowledge the debt we owe to the animals that have already contributed to our understanding of space. Laika, and the many other creatures who followed in her footsteps, played a crucial role in helping us reach the stars. Their sacrifices should not be forgotten, and we should strive to honor their memory by treating all animals with kindness and respect. As we move forward, it's essential that we prioritize their welfare and consider the ethical implications of our actions. The ethics of animal spaceflight are a complex and multifaceted issue, and there's no one-size-fits-all solution. However, by engaging in ongoing discussions and exploring new approaches, we can work towards a future where humans and animals can thrive together. If you're interested in learning more about the latest developments in space research and the role of animals in advancing our knowledge, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll be exploring the fascinating world of space robotics and the potential for machines to take the place of living creatures in space exploration.